In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Apple ID password on my phone. This process is straightforward, but it's essential to understand that your Apple ID password is kept encrypted for your security. Apple takes your privacy seriously, and that's why you can't see your password directly. However, if you have saved your password in the Passwords app or iCloud Keychain, you might be able to retrieve it quite easily. Let's go through the steps to check if your password is saved. First, open the Passwords app on your iPhone. You can find this app typically located in your utility folder or by swiping down on your home screen and typing passwords into the search bar. Once you tap on the app, it will prompt you to unlock it. You can do this using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This security step is crucial as it ensures that only you can access your saved passwords. After unlocking, you'll have a secure view of all your stored passwords. Next, tap on the option labeled All. This will bring up a list of all the passwords you have saved. From here, you can search for your Apple ID password specifically. You can do this by typing keywords like Apple, apple.com, or iCloud.com into the search bar. This search feature is very handy as it filters out the clutter and allows you to find what you need more quickly. If your Apple ID password is stored here, it will appear in the list, making it easy for you to access it. Now, if you find the entry for your Apple ID, simply tap on it. This action will reveal the saved password associated with your Apple ID. It's a straightforward process, and if the password is there, you can copy it for your use. This is significant as it saves you from the hassle of resetting your password if you have forgotten it. However, if you reach this step and do not see your password, that usually indicates that your password was never saved in the Passwords app or iCloud Keychain. At this point, if you cannot find your password, don't worry. Apple does not provide an option to reveal your Apple ID password directly from your account settings for security reasons. This means that if you forgot your password, you will need to reset it. Resetting your password is a simple process, and I'll guide you through it. To reset your password, go to your iPhone settings. Tap on your name at the top of the screen, which will take you to your Apple ID settings. From there, navigate to the option labeled Sign In and Security. Here, you will find the Change Password option. Tapping on this will allow you to enter a new password for your Apple ID. Make sure to choose a strong password that you can remember, as this will keep your account secure. If you prefer, you can also reset your password using Apple's recovery page. Visit iforgot.apple.com in your web browser. This option is also secure and will provide you with the necessary steps to verify your identity before allowing you to create a new password. Always remember to keep your Apple ID password secure and updated to protect your personal information. That concludes our steps for finding or resetting your Apple ID password. Remember, keeping track of your passwords can save you time and prevent frustration in the future. Thank you for watching.